Good morning, guys. Here she is. This is the first of the several bikes I'll be riding this year, and it's the Ténéré 700 by Yamaha. I'm very excited because not only I will be riding this bike, but I will also develop special adventure parts and rally kits for rebelxsports in collaboration with Yamaha, because Yamaha is being my partner throughout the season. And today I want to talk to you about some very cool news that is the Ténéré Challenge. Practically, Yamaha Italy has made everyone's dream come true because they are starting this challenge, Ténéré Challenge, that will take place together with the National Motor Rally Championship in Italy. It will be several races, and anyone with the Ténéré 700 from 2019 onwards, so the new model, can take part in this challenge. I will link in the description all the info, but if you have any doubts, since everything is written in Italian, be sure to contact rebelxsports because they are the official partner and supplier of rally kits in case you'll need it, because there will be two different classes. One is the Pro class, where you will mount a roadbook and trip master and you will navigate and race, checking your road just like the Dakar riders. The other challenge category will be with GPS, so it's a more amateur challenge. You'll just need to place a GPS. rebelxsports will have soon the equipment on their website in case you want to take part in the challenge, where you can order and set up your bike ready to race. This said, be sure to write in the comments if you're interested in taking part in this challenge, because anyone can come. All you'll need is a national racing license. So if you are from France or the UK or whichever place around the world you are from, you'll need your national license, plus you'll need a start permission in order to take part in the race and in the challenge. Once again, contact rebelxsports or Yamaha Italy. Of course, for me, the most exciting part will be to develop and design special parts. And the first parts that will be developed are Rally Nav Tower, which already we started testing the prototypes on another bike, and we are happy with the results, so that should be coming out soon. And also a special bracket for GPS. Now I'll quickly show you the most popular GPS systems that are available on the market, because we all have them here in order to perfectly test the bike and the supports with all the GPS systems. One question I want to ask you is, since I'm extremely lucky to have here in the workshop all these different GPS modules, would you be interested in me making maybe a comparison video or a review video for each GPS system? Please let me know, because I want to bring interesting content to the channel, and I need your feedback in order to make cool videos that will help you when deciding what to purchase for your adventure bike. Here I have with me probably one of my favorite, if not my favorite GPS. It's the Trailtech Voyager Pro, and this is an example of one of the many brackets we are testing. It's a bracket that will be installed here on the upper part of the dashboard, and it will give and provide protection to the GPS, yet keep everything easily accessible, and so that you can also take off the GPS easily. Quickly listing you the other systems we are testing the brackets with are the Garmin Montana 600 series. Then we have the new Garmin Montana 700 series. That's pretty big change between the two. Also, the support holding the 700 series is completely different from the Montana and the Garmin 276 CX. Then we also have the Garmin Zoom XT. Last but not least, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 2, but the system we will test the tablet with is a system that can be compatible also with other different tablets. And we look forward to test also the Carpe Eater, which we don't have here yet, but it's on its way. But let me tell you what is already available from rebelxsports for the Yamaha Ténéré. We have here the rally seat with the seat cover. This is the factory rally seat cover. It's made by Selle della Valle, and it's produced with the same materials with which we produce the seat covers for the Yamaha Dakar factory team. Because yes, the Yamaha factory seats at Dakar are made here in Italy. So we decided for the Ténéré 700, it was very important to have a seat cover that would be comfortable for very long rides, but that it would dry quickly. So we have the quick dry leather on top with the camels. Obviously, we always have here a layer of memory foam so that when you sit more backwards, the seat will be much more softer and comfortable. On the sides instead we have the carbon fiber texture. This is a more resistant material, so especially here on the edges it provides a longer life. It also makes your Ténéré 700 look a bit more like a factory bike. One other interesting product that is coming soon out are these, the Rally foot pegs. These provide a much bigger footprint and protrude more to the external comparing to the OEM foot pegs, and these are designed if you're riding with off-road boots, so they have really lots of grip, and in time, in case you wear them out, you'll be able to change the single pins so that they can always be brand new and give stability to your foot. Other interesting parts and kits we are working on, other than the full rally kit, come from the brake compartment. Over the last months, we have tested and worked out a solution that will increase substantially the performance of your brakes. Now, it's a pretty cold day outside, but it's sunny, so why don't we go for a ride? For sure, the tires I have on the bike at the moment are not the best tires for off-road riding, but how can you say no to a wonderful day like this where you can see this amazing view here in northern Italy? The reason for which I won't change tires on this bike is because we have full rally wheels, reinforced wheels coming soon, and I'll put some aggressive off-road tires on those. One thing I love of the Ténéré 700 is that even though it's quite a big bike, I can handle it pretty well even here off-road and have fun. It doesn't ever scare me, you know, and do anything that I don't expect it to do. But another upgrade that I will want to do is the suspensions. We will change some suspensions so that we can hit some bigger jumps. I can hit some small jumps now, even with the stock suspensions, but with stiffer ones, I'm sure I can get some more air. At the 2021 Ténéré Challenge, the roads will be more or less like this, so gravel roads, but if you're racing in the pro category, which means the one with the road book, then things will be a bit more tough. You'll have some slight trails, so you need to be prepared and be really confident on the bike. If you're racing in the road book category, you will do the exact same route as the guys racing the National Rally Championship here in Italy, which means, you know, bikes racing for 50cc to 50cc, so be prepared. If instead you opt for the amateur category, then you'll have the GPS and roads will be always like this, nothing too technical, because if there is some trail, they will design the route so that you can avoid any technical sections. I think taking part in the Ténéré Challenge will be a really good occasion to meet new people and maybe discover new things on your bike and really use it for the use it was designed for, so for dual purpose adventure riding and off-road riding. While I'm riding today, I can't stop thinking of what wonderful places we have here in northern Italy, and we are in an area where, you know, it's very famous for the wine because they produce really good wine here. So I'm thinking, what if I designed some road books maybe for this summer here in this area, and we could organize, I don't know, some rally school where I can show you how road book navigation works. But not only this, we can also enjoy the place, go drink some wine, go karting, obviously not after we drank wine, and I can show you, you know, my area because I think it's really beautiful and you would appreciate it. Let me know. We have come to the end of this video. I really wanted to introduce you to my new adventure bike, and we will put on so much stuff on this bike that you have to subscribe to the channel because we have really cool stuff coming out and stuff to review. So this will be my test bike, and I will probably take part, almost surely take part in adventure riding events. So on my schedule might be Gibraltar race. I would really want to do Trans-Italia Marathon because I never took place to that event. I was there only at the start. Maybe Hard Alpi Tour, who knows? But for sure this summer, I'll take her for some adventure riding on the Trans-European Trail. Thanks guys for watching. Follow me also on Instagram to see live updates, and I'll see you soon. Ciao!